Gujarat is BJP's model state. And in this model state, the party has right now announced a membership drive. That is to enroll new members. You're watching Vibes of India. I'm Deepal, and with me is Nandini.
Hi, Deepal.
And we are here to discuss this membership drive, which is a very normal routine exercise, but this time it is coming into limelight for various reasons. If I have to give you some figures, if we look at the population of Gujarat and the existing members of the BJP, these are according to the BJP claims,
yes.
right? The BJP wants each and every Gujarati, every adult Gujarati 18 and above to vote for them.
Yes.
Because right now the BJP already has a strong membership. Their primary members are 1.19 crores in Gujarat. And this time the state BJP president, who also is now the union minister,
Jal
C.R.
Shakti
Patil,
minister, yeah.
the Jal Shakti minister, C.R. Patil, has asked, rather in BJP they don't ask, they have ordered that the local BJP leaders involved in the new membership drive, the enrollment drive, should have at least 2 crore new members registered as primary members of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Absolutely, yes.
Right.
So, Deepal, before 15-20 days when he launched the membership drive and he told the party workers to have 2 crore members, it seemed that yes, BJP has been ruling Gujarat for almost 30 years now, and it would be like really easy for them. But the way things are going, the way the party is in news for all the wrong reasons, for all the wrong manner in which they are doing it, it seems that it's a difficult task.
And this is supposed to be a membership drive. Can you
Yeah.
force people? Can you coerce people? Can you lure people to become the
Absolutely
members?
not.
For example, in Bhavnagar, the place I hail from, there is a BJP leader called Yuvraj Singh Gohil, who has openly admitted that he has been giving 5 rupees per member. So, but he's selling membership only in bulk, which means that 100 rupees,
Yeah.
right, 100 members, 100 members for 500 rupees,
Yes.
which means 5 rupees per member.
member.
And he
Yeah.
says people are flocking for this scheme.
Yeah.
Yuvraj Singh said this maybe to impress that how excited people are to become party members, but it also reflects the level of Gujarat, that for pretty or a petty 5 rupees,
Yeah.
a person is becoming a member.
Absolutely. Yes, and then what happens is that times people are not even aware that they are being made members. Take the case of Visnagar Civil Hospital, wherein a person goes and the wife has to be injected some medicine.
And you know this, we should clarify that the
Yeah.
person went to the civil hospital only because his wife, he or his wife was bitten by a stray dog,
Yeah.
and they had to take a
Anti-rabies,
anti-rabies
yeah.
vaccination, which was not available at their private practitioners. So
Correct.
they went to this government
So,
facility.
And then he was asked for an OTP. OTP came on his mobile number. The moment he shared the OTP, he gets a message that he has been enrolled as
Congratulating
BJP
him
member. Yeah.
to,
And
you know,
even in Surendranagar,
भाजपा परिवार में आपका स्वागत है.
and in Surendranagar, I mean, such instances have come to light from 2 schools. You know, asking children to get in mobiles and then clarifying before the district education officer that it was to aid linking the Aadhaar card and all that stuff with the ration card, which is like, Unbelievable.
Yeah, so and in certain cases, the kids were asked to give their parents' numbers, and
Yeah.
in certain cases, there have been issues where minors, have been enrolled
Yes,
as members, which they are not supposed to do.
and Chaitar Vasawa, Aam Aadmi Party MLA, said that in his area, that is what he claimed, that in his area, officers have been enrolled, they have been given targets, and he fears that even the collectors would be given target. So, Deepal, I wonder, like, what is the need for the BJP to do such things? Because officially they say that it is Congress's hand, like, because they do it to malign our image. But I mean, one wonders that Congress doesn't have anything else to do, that it would keep, blaming the BJP for everything.
No, this time things are slightly different, because all the messages that we have been getting, that look, we have been doing this wrong in a membership drive, here we have erroneously made this person
Absolutely.
member. All this information we have to clarify is coming from within the BJP,
Yeah.
which means that there is some sort of dissatisfaction
Yeah,
in the party which is coming to the fore. For example, in Maninagar area of Ahmedabad, right? There's a guy who has complained to the Prabhari, to the secretary of Maninagar ward. Maninagar in Ahmedabad is a constituency from which even Prime Minister,
was
then the
elected
chief
as the
minister,
MLA.
had
Yeah.
contested and won as a MLA.
It's a
So,
strong Hindu,
yeah,
I mean, it has a strong Hindu hold.
yeah.
Yeah.
It is a Hindu
Yes,
stronghold
absolutely.
constituency. So here the Prabhari Sanjay Patel has officially complained that the Maninagar, he says that someone sent him this complaint that the Maninagar MLA Amul Bhatt has been sending gundas, and getting membership forms filled up for new enrollment.
So,
There are several societies, I don't want to name the societies, but there are the societies and society chairmen in I know of 4 such societies, one in Bhopal, one in Ambli, one in Vastrapur, and the other one in Ambawadi. These are in Ahmedabad. Besides this, I have seen screenshots of societies in Bhavnagar and one in South Gujarat, where there are this society WhatsApp group which says, oh, become a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, we will get free benches, we will get a kids park enacted.
absolutely. And now the upcoming festival, the biggest festival, is going to be Navratri. For all you know, that might also be used as a,
To enroll more members, right?
yeah.
So, what I fail to understand, Nandini, is that like Gujarat has an adult population who can vote,
Yes.
right? Which would be roughly how much?
Almost, the target that the BJP has set, 2 crores, more than that, definitely. But it wants almost like 100% of the adult population to be the
So the
members,
the total population of Gujarat is about a little less than 7 crores, but because there has been no census conducted, we
Right.
cannot give you the
exact yeah.
number of adults and non-adults. But if we go according to the past census, and if we go by the statistics of the past census and compare it with the BJP current claims,
Right.
that the BJP currently says it already has 1.19 crore.
Such instances coming to light wherein students are asked to get the mobile phones, officers are enrolled, even patients and society members asked to get enrolled in the BJP. One really wonders that is the popularity of the BJP on decline in Gujarat or what?
Why are they becoming so aggressive is the
Yeah.
question, right?
Yes, and you know what, Deepal, interestingly, they do have 1.19 crore members, and in the Lok Sabha elections that were held recently, sorry, 1.88 crore votes. So, like only 50 plus lakh more than the
Their
members that
members.
they have.
So, see, if they, and this was pretty recent, it was in
Yes.
2024
Yeah.
May only.
Correct. It seems that at the ground level, people are not really happy. We can, cite the example of Baroda, okay, wherein like there were man-made floods, okay. So it will be really interesting to see how people get enrolled themselves during this drive in Baroda, because they have been like blaming even the ministers who have gone there. They have get out the ministers.
And Gujarat is BJP's model state, as I said earlier. So, this new method of enrolling members, like Sam, Dam, Dand, Seva,
Yeah.
कोई भी तरीके से पर नए members बनाओ. Every person, every citizen, every resident, every
Has
adult
to
who
be a
can vote
BJP member.
should be a BJP member. ये जो गुजरात मॉडल से एक नया मैसेज जा रहा है, I think it is undemocratic, unhealthy, and unconstitutional.
Right.
You are watching Vibes of India, and please like and share this video and encourage us to bring to you more inclusive news on and about Gujarat. Thank you.
Thank you.